Hey everyone, Dave Wells, Personal Lines Agency Growth Coach here. Question I'm often asked is, given how hard it is to write personal lines business right now, how can I grow my book of business? It's tough. This is the toughest market in personal lines I've ever seen in my 30-year career. And I've talked to agents been in the business longer than I have, and they've said it's probably tougher than they've ever seen. But there are some things that we can work on together. Start with your existing clients. Make sure that you're reviewing their coverages with them, and if you see any coverage gaps, you want to recommend that they have the right coverage. Now, no one wants to pay more for insurance than they're currently paying. I get that. But people also don't want to have a claim and then find out that they did not have coverage, and even worse, they could have had coverage if they'd known about it and you had talked to them about it. So I think it's very important that you review the policies carefully, make sure you uncover any potential gaps, recommend the appropriate endorsements, and if they choose not to take your recommendation, I think you want to document that in the agency management system as well. Another thing you might want to consider doing is just asking for referrals from your existing clients. Now, you don't have to ask them for names and contact information for you to, call them out of the blue. But as they're talking to family members and friends and coworkers, people may be talking about how, the insurance rates are going up. And if they're happy with the job that you're doing, be sure to put in a request that they give you a call. Remind them that you're an independent agent. That means that you're not locked into one company. You've got multiple options, and you can try and find the best value for them. And that word is key there, value. It's not always necessarily about the lowest price. People want to make sure that what they're paying is worth what they're getting. And so if you can emphasize value when you're talking with your existing clients as well as when you're talking with prospects, it is a game changer. You can help people see that this is really there to help them in case they have a claim. And yeah, it costs a lot of money. We get that. But it's going to cost a lot more if they don't have coverage. So be sure to ask for referrals from your existing clients. And then that way, if they're referring someone to you, you always want to send a note thanking them for that referral, possibly even sending them a little gift of appreciation, something nominal, a little gift card to a coffee shop or something like that. Third thing I'd say is you want to be very careful about working with referral partners right now. You don't want to overpromise and underdeliver. So you need to explain to them as well what's happening in the industry, what's happening in the marketplace. Rates are going up across the board. It's harder and harder to place business. Again, as an independent agent, you've got options. So you want to emphasize that with all of your referral partners, all the realtors and mortgage lenders that you're working with, but explain to them what's happening so that they have an understanding of why it's a little more difficult than it was maybe 6 months ago or a year ago to find coverage. Also let them know that a lot of companies are expecting or demanding that you write the entire account. So if they're just worried about homeowners insurance for that home closing, you might have to explain to that realtor, hey, look, the companies that I'm working with now are requiring that I sell the auto and the homeowner's policy. The advantage, of course, is going to be the discount for the client to have both of those bundled together, but that might slow the process down a little bit, and they have to understand that if you don't go that route, your options are going to be even more limited. So just explain to them why you have to sell the whole package, and hopefully that will enhance your ability in working with those referral partners. Hope these ideas have been helpful to you. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. I'm here to help you grow your business, and let's hope that we have a fantastic 2024. Take care, everyone. Thanks. Bye.